space. X-I.
Next. Okay, next.
K.
Okay, what letter comes after letter K?
Say K-L.
Okay. Next. What letter comes after letter L?
K-L.
Yes, after you finish your writing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
What letter comes after letter
I
L?
said the other. Name. I'm going to see.
Letter? What letter?
Say K-L.
What's next?
Say K-L-M.
Okay.
Here. You don't have space.
Right here.
You don't.
Okay. Faster. Right here. You get more space there.
If I see you.
Okay, faster.
We got one. We got 3, 4, 5.
Yes, faster. The battery is almost dead.
No, it's not.
Okay, faster. What letter next? What letter next?
Say K-L-M.
Okay, faster. What letter is that?
That's T.
Okay, I want the letter M, okay?
I want to erase this.
We can't erase that one.